2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE-Class. A seamless blend of power, prestige, and practicality. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE-Class stands as a striking testament to the brand's commitment to combining luxury, everyday usability, and high-performance engineering. This midsize SUV, enhanced by the expert tuning of AMG, offers drivers a unique opportunity to experience exhilarating power without sacrificing the comfort, technology, and utility expected of a premium Mercedes-Benz vehicle. Two main performance variants are available: the AMG GLE53 and the more extreme AMG GLE63 S. The GLE53 is equipped with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, enhanced by a 48-volt mild hybrid system and electric supercharger, delivering an impressive 429 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. The GLE63 S, on the other hand, elevates the experience with a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 producing a jaw-dropping 603 horsepower, offering a performance profile that rivals many sports cars. Acceleration figures reflect the potency of these powertrains. The GLE53 launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a brisk 4.4 seconds, while the GLE63 S accomplishes the same feat in just 3.4 seconds, placing it firmly among the quickest SUVs on the market. Despite these thrilling figures, both models remain practical daily drivers thanks to an innovative air suspension system with active roll stabilization, delivering composed, confident handling and an impressively smooth ride, even on rough roads. In terms of utility, the AMG GLE is far more than a high-performance toy. With a towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds, it's more than capable of handling boats, trailers, or anything else you'd expect a powerful SUV to manage. Buyers can also choose between the traditional SUV body style or a sleeker, coupe-like silhouette, depending on their preference for space or style. Standard luxury appointments include heated and ventilated front seats, a sport steering wheel wrapped in Nappa leather, and a panoramic sunroof, ensuring the cabin remains a refined and comfortable space regardless of the driving conditions. What's new for 2025? The 2025 model year introduces several subtle but tasteful enhancements to the AMG GLE lineup. On the outside, the color palette now includes 4 new paint options: silicon gray, Ireland mid-green metallic, Mystic Blue Metallic, and Côte d'Azur Light Blue Metallic, allowing for more personalization and visual flair. Inside, 3 new Nappa leather upholstery colors, Carmine Red, Yacht Blue, and Truffle Brown, further elevate the cabin's premium atmosphere. All models now come standard with embroidered AMG crests on the headrests and an integrated fingerprint sensor for biometric security, adding a high-tech, personal touch to interior functionality. Pricing and recommended configuration. Pricing for the 2025 AMG GLE-Class ranges from $90,350 to $133,300, depending on the variant and selected equipment. While the GLE63 S provides the ultimate performance package, the GLE53 strikes a more practical balance between price, power, and luxury. We recommend the GLE53 in the standard SUV body style, which offers a roomier cargo area and optional third-row seating. To enhance comfort and utility, consider adding the winter package, heated steering wheel and heated windshield washer jets, the acoustic comfort package for superior noise insulation, and the multi-contour front seats with massaging and rapid heating functions. Features such as soft closed doors and 4-zone climate control round out a configuration that maximizes both convenience and luxury. Powertrain and driving experience. Both the GLE53 and GLE63 S are fitted with a 9-speed automatic transmission and standard 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, ensuring optimal power distribution and traction in all conditions. The GLE53's mild hybrid system not only enhances fuel efficiency but also smoothens throttle response and fills in torque gaps for seamless acceleration. Meanwhile, the GLE63 S unleashes raw V8 power with signature AMG ferocity. The real highlight of the driving experience is the air suspension system with adaptive damping and active anti-roll stabilization, which helps the vehicle remain level and composed through corners, while still absorbing road imperfections with ease. Drive modes, such as Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus, allow drivers to adjust throttle response, steering feel, and suspension stiffness to match their mood or road conditions. Performance and acceleration. During testing, the GLE53 sprinted to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, completing the quarter mile in 13.0 seconds at 107 miles per hour. By comparison, a non-AMG GLE450 with 362 horsepower managed the same run in 5.3 seconds. The GLE63 S proved to be significantly quicker, achieving 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds, placing it firmly in sports car territory. Towing capability. With a towing capacity of 7,700 pounds, the AMG GLE lineup competes directly with performance-focused SUVs like the Porsche Cayenne, while matching or exceeding the towing abilities of many midsize trucks. Fuel economy and real-world efficiency. The GLE53 is rated at 18 miles per gallon city/23 miles per gallon highway in SUV form and 22 miles per gallon highway for the coupe. The more powerful GLE63 S is naturally thirstier, rated at 14 miles per gallon city/19 miles per gallon highway for both body styles. During real-world testing on a 75 miles per hour highway loop, the GLE53 SUV exceeded expectations by returning an impressive 25 miles per gallon. Results for the GLE63 S are forthcoming. Interior design, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the cabin is both futuristic and performance-oriented. Dual 12.3-inch displays dominate the dashboard, forming a seamless digital interface for driving and infotainment functions. AMG-specific touches, such as sport seats with red contrast stitching, aluminum trim, and red seatbelts, give the cabin a racier character. Space is generous throughout, and the upright SUV version even offers an optional third row of seats for added versatility. The GLE53 SUV provides ample room for 11 carry-on suitcases behind the second row, and up to 26 with the rear seats folded flat. The coupe model sacrifices about 5 cubic feet of cargo space, reducing suitcase capacity by 2 with seats up and by 5 with the seats down. Infotainment and connectivity. The latest MBUX infotainment system comes standard, offering interaction via touchscreen, center console controller, or voice commands activated by the phrase, "Hey Mercedes." The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. While it may take some initial adjustment, most users grow accustomed to MBUX's interface quickly. Safety and driver assistance features. Mercedes includes a wide array of advanced safety features, including Level 2 semi-autonomous driving assistance. Key safety technologies include forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking, standard. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go function, optional. Lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, optional. Crash test ratings from the NHTSA and IIHS are expected to reinforce the model's strong reputation for safety. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Warranty coverage is competitive but not class-leading. Mercedes offers 4 years/50,000-mile limited warranty, 4 years/50,000-mile powertrain warranty, and no complimentary scheduled maintenance, which some rivals like BMW and Audi do provide as standard.